let's start new problem statement, that is implemented program to perform mathematical calculation, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. For that, these are the operators. Plus, minus, multiplication and divisions are the operators. Take that operators from user using scanf statement and use if else if ladder to perform that operations. Means here we want to scan two operands first, because all the operators are binary operators. So take two operands from the user, that is integer values, two integer values, as well as take operator from user. Then and then only we can perform the addition, multiplication, division or subtraction. Clear? But what to use for solving this type of problem? If else if ladder. Now first, what is the syntax of if else if ladder? Syntax of if else if ladder, that is if condition, then this is body of if statement. After that, else if here again condition, next curly bracket, condition for if else if ladder. First if condition, then body of if, next else if condition, and then in the curly bracket, that is else if. Here again if having condition, and here body of else if. Okay, again else if, again condition, again body of else if, till you want. Okay, and last is else statement. Last is else statement, does not having any conditional part, because else does not having any conditional part, but if having conditional part. It is called as if else if ladder schedule. Okay, each and every condition is one step in that ladder. This is one step, this is one step. Okay, step means ladder ला काय असतात पायऱ्या. Clear? So these are the different steps. You can add as much as steps you want. Okay, so this type of if else if ladder, when we use if your problem statement having multiple conditions, that is more than 3, 4, 5, then we can use if else if ladder. Okay, then what is the flow of this if else if ladder? First, if condition is true, this condition is true, then body of if is executed and directly cursor goes out of this ladder, means at the end of this else statement. Clear? Other steps are not executed. If first step is condition is true, then only body of if is executed, other steps are not executed, directly cursor goes out of this ladder. Okay, clear? If first condition is not true, that is false, then cursor goes to the next condition. Check the next condition. If it is not true, then cursor goes to the third condition. Clear? Likewise, if any condition is not matched or all conditions are wrong conditions, then last condition executed is body of else. So at the last, if then no condition is true, at the last, so this is the execution flow of if else if ladder. Understood the flow? पुन्हा एका सिंपल भाषेत सांगतो. लॅडर म्हणजे काय असतं? शिडी. प्रत्येक शिडीवर एक स्टेप्स असते, बरोबर आहे? स्टेप आपण काय करतो, जी आपल्याला कंडिशन पाहिजे, जी वस्तू पाहिजे, कुठल्या तरी एका स्टेपवर असणार आहे. आपण पहिली शिडी चढली, ती वस्तू नसेल तर आपण सेकंड स्टेपला जातो. सेकंड स्टेपवर नसेल तर थर्ड वर नसेल फोर्थ वर मिळाली तर आपण काय करतो, लॅडर वरनं बाहेर पडतो, वर शिडी चढत बसत नाही. जी पाहिजे ती कंडिशन ट्रू झाली की काय होतं, कर्सर गोज आउट ऑफ दिस लॅडर. ओके, आणि जर कुठल्याच पायरीवर स्टेपवर जर काय नसेल, तुम्हाला पाहिजे ती वस्तू नसेल, तर तुम्ही कुठे जाणार, एल्स पार्ट हा एक्झिक्यूट होणार कधी जर कुठलीही कंडिशन ट्रू झाली नाही तर. क्लियर? Understood the flow of if else if ladder, and when this if else if ladder used when your program statement having multiple conditions more than 3, 4, 5, then and then only we can use if else if ladder. Clear? Okay, so use this type of if else if ladder in our problem statement. So first, program to perform mathematical calculations and take this type of arithmetic operators from user. So these are the operators, means actually a character. So take one character from user, as well as to perform the operation we want two different operands, means integer type of two variables. We can scan two integer type of variables as well as one operator, and operator type is character. So start writing program form. Hash include the header files stdio.h, second header file hash include con.io.h. Start program form void main. After that, before writing code, what is the exact output on the console or text mode window? So first message is enter any two values. Okay, this is the message. Enter any two values, means two operands. Take the values of operands from user. Suppose first operand, user enters 10, press enter. User enters 20, press enter. So take two operands value from user. Clear? Suppose this value is saved in variable A, this second value is saved in variable B. Next, on console, after that, enter character or operator. Okay, enter character or operator. Give the message plus, minus, multiplication and division. This is whole message, means user knows that enter character or operator, that is plus, minus, star or division. Suppose user enters plus operator. Then we perform the addition of these two operands, means 10 plus 30. And what is the message? Addition is equal to 30. Understood? This is the message. This is our output screen, or the text mode window looks like this. As per this output we can write the code. Understood? Means if user enters multiplication instead of plus, user enters multiplication, then message is multiplication is equal to 200. Clear? Means as per the user, what user enters, if plus operator, minus, division or multiplication, as per that perform the operation on these two operands A and B and give the result. Clear? For that purpose, what we use? We use ladder, if else if ladder. So first is your message part, that is printf enter any two values /n double quotes complete. After that, scanf, take these two values as an integer, %d double quotes complete, comma, ampersand of a, comma, ampersand of b. Declare these two variables a and b at the first line of your main function, that is integer a and b. Declare these two variables. After that, next is, after scanning two values, next statement is enter character or operators, plus, minus, division. So write printf enter character or operator plus minus multiplication or division slash n double quotes complete. This is the message on the console. After that, user scan one character as an operator. Okay, so scanf. What user scan? Character, single character. So use %C. For scanning single character, use %C. And where we want to store address of ch. This is the character type variable. So declare character type variable character ch here. Understood? So this is the character type variable ampersand of ch, and declare that ch in the main at the declaration statement. This is the declaration statement. After that, now use ladder. Okay, because we don't know what is the character. When user enters, user enter plus minus star or division operator, any. So check what user enters, which operator user enters. So for that purpose use if ladder, if else if ladder. So this is the ch. So ch is equal to if user enter plus, so write single quotes plus inside the single quote, because it is a single character. If it is single character, use single quote. If it is string, that is multiple characters, use double quotes. If it is string, use double quotes. If it is single character, then use single quote. Clear? After that, what now? If user enters ch, means plus operator, then this condition is true. Plus is equal to plus. Condition is true. And if condition is true, what we have to do? We have to add these two values and give the message as a addition is equal to. So first perform addition. A plus B. A plus B. Store this result inside. Where we want to store? Take some variable, another variable. So take comma sum or addition. Sum. So sum is equal to A plus B. Store the addition into some variable. Give the message, that is printf addition is equal to %d, double quotes complete, comma sum. So this message is displayed on the console. If user enters which operator? Plus operator. Curly bracket complete. After this completion of first if, next is the else if. Next part is else if. Not only else, else if. So it is called as a else if ladder. So again use the condition. What is the condition next? If ch is equal to which operator? Minus operator. If it is minus operator, then perform subtraction. For subtraction, take one variable sub to store subtraction of A minus B. That is sub is equal to A minus B. Perform the subtraction of two operands A and B and store the result into sub variable. Then printf subtraction is equal to %d, and subtraction is stored into sub variable. So write sub here. Then complete of else if. After that, next else if, because there are 4 different operators, so different 4 steps, and last step is else. If user enters wrong choice, instead of plus, minus, multiplication and division, suppose user enters any other character, then it is a wrong choice. So display the message wrong choice. At the end, that is last step, which is else part. So else if ch is equal to multiplication, that is star, user enters star, then perform multiplication and store the result into suppose mult variable. So declare multiplication variable here as an integer. Next, perform the multiplication. A multiply by B semicolon. This operator performs the multiplication of two operands A and B. Calculate the result, and result is stored into multiplication variable. Next, printf multiplication. That is printf multiplication is equal to percentage d double quotes complete comma mul. Then completion of LC. Next, fourth step, that is again write LC. Give the space here between else and if. Next condition. Now what is the condition? If CH is equal to division, then if CH is equal to division operator, then perform the division, means A divided by B, and store the result into division variable. So write division here. Clear? So after that, printf division is equal to percentage d double quotes complete division variable name semicolon. Next, else complete. So now all the conditions are over. Now last condition. It is not a condition, it is the else part. If user enters wrong choice, instead of plus, minus, division or multiplication, if user enters something other character, okay, instead of these characters, then user goes to else part. And in else part, give the message as a printf wrong choice double quotes complete else complete. Okay, this is the completion of if else if ladder. Clear? After that, last statement is get ch and then main function complete. This is the whole code of this program. Okay, so memory management. Here A, B, sum, subs, multiplication and division. That means 6 variables are there, and ch, that is character variable, are there. For each integer type of variable, 2 bytes are reserved, and for character variable only 1 byte is reserved. Clear? For character data type only 1 byte is required, and integer data type 2 bytes are required. Okay, and memory management is done on the RAM. So here for A, B, sum, then subtraction, multiplication and division, and last is a ch. Memory management is done. Okay, when user enter any two values, suppose user first cursor is blinking, suppose user enters 10 and press enter, this first value is stored at the location of A on the RAM. Second, cursor is blinking, suppose user enters value 20, that value is stored at the address of B. So on the RAM 20 is stored. Clear? After that, enter character or operators between these 4. Suppose user enters multiplication operator, and then multiplication operator is stored into ch variable. Suppose user cursor is blinking, suppose user enters multiplication operator, then this multiplication operator is stored where? Address of ch, that means here on the RAM. Okay, after that, now what is ch value? Ch is multiplication, single quotes multiplication. So multiplication means that character's ASCII value. What is compared here? ASCII values of star and plus. Okay, these are not matched, so equal to operator returns 0. If these are not matched, then equal to operator, this comparison operator returns 0. 0 means no entry to the if. Clear? Then cursor automatically goes to the next step. What is the next step? LCD. Here ch means again take the value from RAM, that is star operator. Star is equal to minus, again it returns 0. So no entry to the LC. So cursor goes to the third step. Again ch. Take the value of ch from the RAM. What is the value of ch? Star. And this star matched. So equal to operator returns 1. So 1 means entry to the LC. Okay. So A, value of A taken from the RAM 10. value of b taken from the RAM, that is 20. 10 plus 20, that is 200, is stored into multiplication variable. Again, multiplication is equal to, this is the message, whatever may be the value inside the multiplication variable is printed here instead of percentage d. So message is multiplication is equal to 200, is displayed on the console. And now cursor does not goes to the next step because here condition is true. So cursor goes out of this ladder, means get ch. Next statement of after the ladder, that means get ch, and console is freeze and output is displayed on the console. Whole output is shown here and curly bracket is end, that means end of your program. Okay, so today we will stop